Hi, I am Kacper and I am an engineer here at MTS Technik. Today I'd like to present the Coilover suspension kit for the third and fourth generation of VW Caddy. This suspension kit is available in two variants, MTS GW VW 34 and 49, differing in the front springs, tailored for different permissible front axle loads. The front axle components include two shock absorbers, finished with a gold zinc plating, equipped with a hexacoil adjustment nuts, bump stops and dust covers. The front springs are made by the German company Eibach. These are progressive springs which provide the best driving characteristics and excellent comfort. For the rear axle, we've got sport shock absorbers with shortened stroke, adapted for the lowered suspension. Also, they've got increased damping force compared to the original ones. In the rear, you will also find a steel height adjustment system entirely covered in a gold zinc plating, which provides additional corrosion resistance. In the box, beside the suspension itself, you will find the adjustment key, installation instruction, a TÜV certificate, and two MTS Technik stickers. Thank you for your attention.